we'll be discussing about ConvertKit configuration and integration into your workflows. In the first place, on the platform down below in the navigation bar, you will be finding Level Up Marketplace. Here you can search for ConvertKit, install it first. It's up to you. You want to get it on your agency or your location level. Enable for both. Proceed. Yeah, it's installed right now. After that, you will be heading towards your location. Let's suppose I am getting towards location Ali. Here on the location Ali, you will be finding for app configuration, find for ConvertKit. On the back end, you have to just sign up for ConvertKit by yourself and get into the developers mode to get the API keys. Basically, this is all for to get the API keys to configure. You have to copy this one. After just copying this stuff, you can just head towards ConvertKit into your location, paste the API, submit, succeed. After that, you will be heading towards your automations. Here you can just start from scratch. Now we are in the automations, so click on it, find for ConvertKit, create tag, and after that, you just name it, create notes, find for ConvertKit, name, save this action. I just saved it. Test your workflows. After that, head towards your execution logs. Here you can see. So here you can see it's created right now.